So today we are going to practice and revise all the strokes and letters we have learned in the previous 4 days. It did turn into a slightly long video, but I hope you will enjoy practicing along with me. I started today with warm-up drills, just circles, lines and basic movements. I know a lot of people feel this part is a waste of time. Even I used to think the same. Like, what's the point of drawing circle again and again? Honestly, earlier I never really understood why warm-ups are important. I used to skip them and directly start writing letters. But slowly I started feeling the difference. Warm-ups help us a lot with free hand movement. They loosen your hand, your wrist and even your mind. In the beginning you might face problems. The circles won't be smooth, the lines won't look clean. But doing this daily really helps the brush pen glide more smoothly. After warm-up I moved to practicing strokes. One thing I've learned is you don't have to make extremely thin upstrokes. When you try too hard, your hand starts trembling and the stroke ends up looking worse. So I try to keep my hand and mind relaxed. Also, just sharing, I'm a left-handed person, so I keep my copy in this tilted position. If I keep it straight, I can't really move my hand comfortably. For right-handed people, it's usually easier, but for left-handed artists, you have to find what works best for you. Okay, a small tip for today. Hold your brush pen with only 3 fingers and keep it slightly tilted like I am holding in the video. It helps a lot with control. You won't feel it without using brush pen. So while doing upstrokes, be gentle, and while doing downstrokes, apply a bit pressure. While doing strokes, it's important not to rush, okay? If we hurry, they won't come out the way we want. We are still learning, so there is no need to jump to results. Improvement takes time, okay? Stay calm and enjoy the process. It's the most important thing. I practiced oval strokes a bit more today because I feel they need extra practice. So if you are practicing along with me, please do leave a comment so I can also know. After practicing all these strokes, I moved to underdone family. This family is quite easy. Even though I have practiced it only 2 or 3 times, I feel I am doing okay in this one. That feeling when something finally starts making sense. It doesn't come from doing new things. It comes from repeating the basics. And honestly, sometimes it feels boring. I even think, am I really improving or just repeating the same things? But I still sit down. I still show up, pick up my pen and start practicing. At first my hand doesn't cooperate much. Pressure goes uneven. Some strokes look awkward and I have to stop, breathe and start again. Moving to overton plus compound family. In this family, almost N and M are quietly easier. B is also okay, but the last one, that still needs some work. But that's okay. Revision is not about fixing everything in one day. It's about noticing what needs more time. If I be honest with you, I don't really know much about editing and I'm not very good at voiceovers either. I just say whatever comes to my heart while practicing. I also know many people don't watch this till the end. So it's obvious not everyone will watch a long video like this. But if you're still here, if you're still watching this and listening to me, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm really grateful to have people like you. And finally, the last letter for today. Finally, Mr. X. Earlier, this letter used to trouble me a lot, but now it's slowly improving. Not perfect, but definitely better than before if you have watched my previous videos. And that comes to end. That's all for today. If you liked my first long video and this revision session, Please do comment and let me know.